got termites, carpenter ants, bees, or more, stay tuned. We got a product for you.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Craig here again, and howtopest.com, where we talk everything professional pest control and tell you how to use that product. Today's product is a good one, guys. Chloe introduced that. Thank you for the intro. This is Cyper TC. What does the TC stand for? Cyper is the name, of course. TC, Termiticide Concentrate. That's what your big TC is in there. They try to get fancy sometimes. This is a product by Controlled Solutions. We love Controlled Solutions. You professionals out there love Controlled Solutions. They've been around for a long time. What I feel Controlled Solutions does really well is they don't reinvent the wheel.
I don't want to win an Oscar, and I don't want to reinvent the wheel.
They take products that are already out there, and they think, how can we make this product better? And that's what they've done with Cyper TC. Active ingredient in this, cypermethrin. Some of your other termiticides out there, you're going to notice a lot of them, imidacloprid. This one, cypermethrin. Cypermethrin is known to hold up really well in the soil. It will last for years on end if applied right. It won't have that easy wash away with water, which is what you want. So when you're doing those trenching jobs, you want that to adhere for years to protect yourself from those subterranean termites, those subs. Now, termite-wise, it's going to wipe out pretty much all of them. It's even going to deal with your dry wood termites, spot treatments only. So read the label, apply accordingly to what you're going after. Now, it has about 25% of the active ingredient. If you notice, that's a very low amount of active ingredient, but with all the inert ingredients on top of that, that's what makes this product so fantastic, where they don't have to use more of the actives to still get those awesome results. Also, wood destroying organisms on top of your termites. It's going to take care of those wood destroying beetles. Now, if you're applying this inside to furniture, you're going to want to kind of paint that on with a paintbrush in your mixed solution, and then paint on where you're having the issue. Go back and fix those holes with a putty or whatever the sealing of your choice is going to be to seal that up. Is it going to deal with carpenter ants? Yes, it is. Carpenter bees? Yes. Now, if we get into the insecticide portion of this chemical, it does pretty much what a lot of those other chemicals out there do. It's going to wipe out the spiders, the ants, the pill bugs, the silverfish, and it's got that really cool name, Cyper. It's insane in the membrane. Got no brain, going insane. Can't remember the words, it's been so long. Cypress Hill. Check it out. Good song. Cyper TC. If you are going after those termites and you're going after those wood destroying organisms, this is a great product for you. Can you do lawn treatments? Yes, you can. Can you drink it? If you want, you're going to die. How do you use this chemical? Let's talk about it. I'm not going to get specific, but the mix rate here is usually 1.3 ounces to a little over 5 ounces. You need to mix according to what you're going after. The typical rate is going to be that 1.3. The 5% or the 5 ounce and higher, that's for your strongest mixes that you're going to do. And it'll tell you when you can and when you should mix for those rates. So read the label. Like we say, label is king. Let's talk about firewood. You're going, oh, I got, organisms destroying my firewood. Can I spray the firewood? No. You can't spray your firewood, but what you can do is that cord of firewood, you can treat the soil and the ground that's around it, and even the structure that's holding that firewood if you're not putting it directly on the ground. Putting it directly on the ground and treating that soil, it's probably going to have a little better of an effect because they're already up in that wood, but they may be contracting the soil, especially the subs, and going back and forth. So treat that soil, let it dry, put the firewood on top. Lawn treatments, yes, you can do it.
You can do it!
You can do it for fleas, you can do it for ticks, you can do it for mosquitoes. It will tell you the mix rate and how to do that. When you do lawn treatments, this is our suggestion to you, pro tip, turn the sprinklers off. You don't want it to be applied, adhere to what you think is adhering, and then your sprinklers just wash that stuff away. So if you can leave the sprinklers off for 1 to 2 days, that's going to be optimal. Now, Cyper TC, if you like Demon Max, that's what this compares to, Demon Max. So you may be getting a little better price with your Cyper TC versus buying your Demon Max. You're going to have to price those out and see what works best for you. We have both these products on howtopest.com, so if you're interested, jump over to the site and pick yourself up a bottle of that Cyper TC. Now, it comes in a 1 gallon container. What am I missing here? We talked about it's going to kill spiders and your centipedes, millipedes. It'll take care of all those, your crickets, just about any insect you're dealing with, this is going to take care of. A lot of you are going to be interested in this more for the termiticide portion of it. So we can trench, we can rod, we can foam, you can do just about every treatment you need to, and the label will tell you exactly how to mix it and apply it for that type of treatment. Those of you that are doing rodding and you're doing foaming, you're probably your professionals. You already know what you're doing out there. This may just help you out with deciding, hey, I might want to try out Cyper TC. Those of you that are trenching, that's the majority of you that have never done subterranean termite jobs before, just know how to do your trenching. Like I said, how wide to go, how deep to go. Now, how much do you put? It's 4 gallons per 10 linear feet. So you got to measure that out. That's how your depth falls into play with your linkage, okay? With your linkage. So Cyper TC, once again, we have that over at howtopest.com. If you have any questions about it, reach out to us. Craig here at howtopest.com. Make sure you hit that like button, put any comments down below, and thanks again for watching the videos, guys. Have a great day.